standing behind a fresh, sustainable product that we get to bring home and enjoy with our friends and family. It's a really, really rewarding process. My name is Ian Jacobson. I'm the COO and co-founder of Holdfast Aquaculture. I've always had a passion for the ocean and marine science. I grew up here in San Pedro, and I would spend my youth exploring all the tide pools, just telling stories about, to everyone who would listen, about the sea stars, the anemones, the crabs, the mussels that were just found all over the San Pedro coastline. I think it was really reinforced when I was at the Cabrillo Aquarium. I was a junior and senior docent all throughout my middle school and high school career, and I got to restore kelp forests here in Palos Verdes. I got to travel to places like the Philippines and Australia to do research. I got to work up in Alaska as a Fisheries Observer, so I got to work kind of right next door to some of these commercial fishermen. I saw the guys from the Deadliest Catch fishing as I was counting all the cod and pollock and bycatch from some of these commercial boats up out of Dutch Harbor. When I moved back to California, working for an aquaculture company, the offshore mussel farm, was kind of an easy transition for me. When that company folded, I got the idea to start a seed company. So I joined forces with Holdfast Aquaculture, and we had this really strong R&D arm and then commercial hatchery idea to bring sustainable mussel and oyster seed production to the southern and central California. It was very inspiring to be able to have control of the entire process. After being exposed to seeing where we get so much of our seafood from up in Alaska, to how we can produce our seafood locally, utilizing the power of the ocean with virtually no inputs to grow this product. We're literally hatching millions of baby mussels, oysters, or clams. It's just a fun process to nurture life from hatch all the way to harvest.